That's great, Jim. Thanks for that report. Now we head out to Marcia, who is on location where a battle between three birds seemed to get heated over custody of a child. To you, Marcia. Thanks, Jan. I'm on location where, just beyond these trees, a battle for custody seemed to get heated between a northern cardinal and two cowbirds. Here's the footage from a viewer. Reportedly today, the male cardinal has survived the attack and claims that his daughter, the female cowbird, is now with the male cowbird that she claims is her actual father.